Folks, this live stream is brought to you by my sponsor AAA FX. Now, they're a fully regulated broker in Europe and South Africa offering Forex indices, commodities, crypto, and over 100 stocks. Now, at AAA FX, you pay no commission on any Forex pair using their ECN Plus account and low commissions on cryptos and stocks. Plus, you can deposit with cash or crypto, get a free VPS with deposits over 5K, and easily integrate the well-known copy trade service Zulu Trade. While you're waiting for the stream to start, go and check them out by clicking the link in the description, comments, or visit AAAFX.com.
We've got two of us here today, so if you guys are wondering who on earth this chap is, Jensler, well, he is the first contestant here on the Fidelcrest 50K challenge. He's not going to be doing anything today, but I just wanted to welcome him to the channel and I suppose give you guys a heads up that he's about to come, and I'm looking forward to it. I've got to say, I am looking forward to it. So
exciting.
Yeah. So, do you want to just quickly give like a 2-second thing on who you are and what you do and your background of trading, so people can know what to expect?
Sure, no worries. Hi, I'm Jensler, and I've been in and out of the markets for the last 2.5 years until I found ICT. So I'm primarily ICT driven, and that's how I'll be trading. And that's basically it.
Awesome. Well, folks, he's going to be coming up on the show in the next hopefully sometime this week. Later on, he'll be doing New York session. So if you guys want to check out how he does his stuff, he'll be on the New York session, and like it's a late session for him. It could be. Is it going to be multiple times a week? Do you think, or?
Yes, it's possibly multiple times a week.
Okay, so it could be like your daily tune-in, assuming that he doesn't pass the challenge too quickly. So we're gonna see what happens there. But yeah, I'm looking forward to seeing how this goes. And look, folks, if you do want to take part in this and be in this spot here alongside me, and then running these streams by yourself, then you can have a chance with this Fidelcrest 50K challenge. There's a link below the video here to enter it as the first link. And just fill in the form. Make sure you fill it in completely. Don't sort of skip any steps. The main thing is I want to see that you have got some kind of market knowledge on a price chart, doing a trade or something like that, or marking up a chart. And it's on a social media platform that I can actually access and look at. It doesn't need to be public, but just it just needs to be there. And I'm not trying to do it to gather strategies, as some people have put in the form. Like, you're just trying to do this to get as many strategies as you can. No, I'm not. Seriously, I'm not. There are plenty of strategies out there. There's plenty of strategies on my channel, so I don't need to do that. All right, mate. Well, look, I'll let you get back on to enjoying the rest of the evening before I know you've got a late start for your first session, but we'll see you back here in the future.
Cheers. Thank you, Cam.
Right, folks. Now let me get this underway. Hi, Alana from Brooklyn. But not set up at the moment, so let's just. Okay, so where do we get to? All right. In all honesty, we're not having a great old run of it here because we're running out of time. We've literally only got this week left, and I've sort of panic bought, and I tried to grow the account a little bit before we jumped on, so we could have a chance, and I just wasn't ready for it. So let me. This is not going to work. I'm going to have to stop sharing that because stop sharing. Let's go back to this. Right. I'm going to share the screen instead, and that will do. Right. Oh, we can do screen. Okay. Righty-ho. let's get rid of me. And okay, right, we've got people from Nigeria. We got a US dollar buy call from Sad Taste already. Right, let's have a look. Where are we? Okay, so I've dropped. So yeah, just first of all, last week when we had that good trade to finish the week off, I'd inadvertently, we got the EA running on the 2-minute chart. We got the EA running on a 1-minute chart. The 2-minute we dropped to 0.5 risk the day before, and I forgot that. And we had the winning trade on this and the losing trade on the 1-minute, which was at 1%. And basically, that's why our winning trade was actually about the same as our losing trade. And we ended up break even, which was just it's a bit of a mistake. That, you know, there's only one person to blame there, and that's myself. So let's just move on from that, and it's not put us in a great stead here with the Fidelcrest challenge. With so few days left, I think we are actually down about 8% on the account now. So I've dropped the risk again, F7 to 2.5%, just so that we don't blow the targets today. And let me just double check that on Fidelcrest. I'll show you in a second. Metrics. Come on. Okay. Sorry, guys. Oh, no. Am I? Okay. I was just making sure that I was on the stream again. Right. Hello, Mr. Beaton 1 from Thailand. Right. Let's get the show on the road here. Okay. So, folks, this is where we're at. We're down 8.75. Yeah, not good. Not good for me. This, like, trying to do this stuff in the Asian session, multitasking to get us a bit way ahead. In fact, what I've done is I've just managed to get us even further back. So I think we finished up last week on minus 4.5 or something, and we're now down to minus 8. So we've almost, I think, was it 2? I think I had 3 losses today. It just wasn't happening. And then I had to drop the risk and got a break even, and that would have gone on, but I had to stop it because I was doing other things. This is a good example of what not to do when you're trying to do a challenge. But that said, we're running out of time. We've only got 4 more days left. So this is the week where it either happens or it doesn't. If I had my time again, I probably would have spent a bit more time on this in the first week, but I just seem to have so much stuff going on in the evenings that it just didn't work out. Right. So what we're trying to do here is get a gauge on where we're at. I'm just going to use these lines here to help us out and see what we potentially can do. So we just missed that big push down. Let's have a look here. Okay, so what have we got left on the hour? 15 minutes. So that level there might be something to look at in 15 minutes time. Right, what else have we got? Okay, so that's where we're finding support. Let's have a look. Okay, so on the hourly here, we're definitely making lower lows. And this is leg 1. Okay, so we're going to break through in the next hour. We really need to see where this 15-minute candle, well, this the next 15 minutes leaves us. Might actually just have a look at the 15. And what's this telling us? Okay, this is telling us we're probably going to go up. If we're going to come up, where are we going to go up from? It's probably there. And where are we going to get to? It's probably there. And is there anything that's going to help us out in terms of a target? Potentially that. Right, so we may not get that high. We may not come back down. Is there anything telling me I want to get in here? I mean, we definitely look like on the 15-minute. Why am I so far over here? Where's the rest of my chart gone? Why is it not letting me go over anymore? Why is it not like giving me that extra information here? Why is it stuck on the side there? Does anyone know how to fix that on MT5? Why is it giving me bugger all to work with? Right, so, okay, we've hit that line there, which was, I believe, on the hourly. That was after that. We're waiting for that one to close first, though, so it's giving us that hit already, but it's only a slight rejection, right? So that's 15. 5-minute. Let's have a look. So the 15 minutes looking short term up to about here, where it may break through, it may fail. And the 5 minutes not really looking bullish at all. It's stuck now. So if we were going to try and get in, even if we're going against the 15-minute, on the 5, we'd probably be looking at getting in here with a stop above here, 2.8 pips. Target down there, 5. But we may have missed that already. This might be the trade happening now. 2-minute. Okay. So this was supposed to be 1-minute scalping, wasn't it? That's the title of the video. Let's have a look at the one. Okay, we're really stuck in this range at the moment. What's this? Is the 15-minute market going to drop? I don't know. It doesn't look like it's going to drop to me. The 15 looks like it's going to push higher, but it's going to get stuck here. It's going to get stuck there, and it's going to get stuck there. So whether or not it is going to have enough momentum, probably not. But I'd say in the short term, the 15 minutes looking higher. The hour is smashing into levels. It might actually, yeah, if this closes up here, it all depends on where this closes, really. We're 50 minutes. So we got another 10. So if that closes there, we're probably going to go up to here, which is probably like a moving average on a 15 or something. No, not the 15. It might actually be the what is this? The 20 up here. So it might close, break, hit the 20, and then come back down. Yes, public holiday, isn't it? Right. Okay. So why is this not copying? So that was the channel, got broken. We created this new channel. I'll leave that there. Okay, so let's have a look at the 5. Basically, what I'm trying to do is just get a sort of gauge as to what people are trying to do, and is there enough momentum for me to go, right, I'm going to go with all those other people. So at the moment, what did I say? An order at the top here, which is 6665. I might even have a look at it on the 1 minute. But then that's going against the 15. Yeah, probably going to break higher. That would be where my order would be, but it's too much of a gamble. So you're probably trying to have your stop above here, get in there. So let's assume we took it, would probably be in now. Stop above here, would we have lasted, or is this going to break out? And the 15 minutes sort of tells me that it's probably going to break out. So it did come back. It didn't come back far enough. That's where we were trying to get in on the 15. So let's think 15. We've got 10 minutes left. 2. Okay, so if you get a close above here in 30 seconds, we could be back in this channel here and be going back and then up to the top of it. So we're starting to get a bit of a picture here. Okay. Based on the 15 minute, I'd be pretty confident in taking that buy on the 2 minute. So that's a breakout. It's a pretty clear breakout. We might not get an entry, but the thinking is we come back, try and retest this, and then we aim for that, which will give us like a 4.3. So 2R. Okay, so the 15 minutes hit those two things there. That's why we're getting that rejection there. "48 seconds. What's this looking like?" Okay, it's a good sign that if we do come back, I think everyone's just going to be trying to get in here. So whether or not we get a fill, that's the telltale sign, and maybe it's just going to go. London Open 6 minutes. Oh yeah. NN64, no, only for this. Only for this. In fact, it's usually the daily stuff that I'll do in the morning. So this is like a specialty. I mean, I'm not a master at it, but it does hone your skills. Okay, so anyone who bought here is happy days. They've got their 1R, they're getting out at the moving average. So it's now going to probably bounce off that. You might find some resistance there. So this is what we want it to hold above. Once we get our entry, if we get our entry, if it comes back, gives us an entry, tags that, closes above here, and away we go. That's what we want. But it may just shoot. We may not even get a chance. I told you the 15 was going up. Yeah, we got 3 minutes on the 15 in the hour. So that hour is now looking. Hour is now looking kind of weak. But it is 3 minutes. There's no news today. Eh? Okay, so if we do, so this is where it's going to die. Okay, let's go back to the 1. Okay, so what have we got on the 1? Two. Okay, let's see if we can get in or not. Or if we cancel this order. Jensler said, what did he say? He shared a photo with me just in my private chat. He called London, did you, on the stream? Ah, you're running your own stream. Oh, this is on Twitter. Okay. Oh, so where we were looking here, this is what it was on the 15-minute or the 5-minute. He got in by the looks of it here and took that. That's a great trade. Yeah. There wasn't in. Well done. Okay, so we broke, we retested that. So I think this 2-minute thing is possibly, we're definitely going to go up. We're definitely going up. 59, so we've got a chance here that this gives us a reaction at 9 o'clock, well, 9 o'clock for me. So we've hit the top of that channel. Okay, so here's the volatility. Are we going to survive this? Don't like trading at this time of day, I've got to say. So if we do get in, there's enough on the 1 hour it might sort of blow through. That's the only thing now. I think we've missed that. I think we need to be a little bit lower. $6.30. Yeah, sort of around. I think if we're going to try and get in without getting stopped out, we probably need to be there. But there might be an opportunity for a short on here if we can. No, there's not. Oh, gents called it in the chat, did you? In the Trading Nut chat? Ah, sorry. This is what he's talking about here in your chat. Okay, right. In the Trading Nut chat. I didn't see that. Okay. It's on 1 minute. So this is off the top of that. Before that, we're thinking about this really. Yeah, it's going against trend, which is what I'm not a great fan of here. Yeah, let's just see what this does. There's no real clever entry here. So we have made a new low here. Which means we could be in for, there could be a short-term sell. But really, where are we going to? Here? Yes, indeed, they are a dream. It's very difficult. Yeah, you got to choose your spot. Right. Okay. So 5 minutes looking short. $6,700. So if we're going to go short on the 5, would you go in there? It's just against the trend. That's the problem. There's no strength at the downside at all, but we've just broken that trend line. We've retested it. So that could be the fake out there. Okay. This could be us. This could be us. We're too slow. Missed it. We wouldn't have got it anyway. It's just above the level. Damn it. I was mucking around with this one. Let's have a look. Hourly. Okay, so we're going to be hitting some resistance soon. $75, $675. That would have been a decent trade, right? $25 seconds. And you're halfway through that. Three minutes left on this. Yeah, I was kind of thinking, okay, this trend line, you know, we could get in there, but just, I don't know, something I'm not quite right about it. I think it was that hour that scared me off. We'd just hit that, we'd reject it off that, come back down. The 15 minutes probably due a bit of resistance here, which is what it's also struggling with. And I think that line there was an hourly line, right? Yeah. So this is where it gets awkward because we're in an uptrend and we are getting signs to go short. Okay, so that would have been all right, that trade in the end. Would have been great. Get in there, bang. Okay, so that's where I kind of thought that we would see it struggle. One minute's going to close above that, is it? Two minutes looking strong there. Let's see what this looks like. Okay, we could go in for a short. It's kind of risky, but that level, we're just sort of thinking that these levels are going to hold. We got a chance to retest here on the 5. That's 4 pips away. We got a chance to get on the 2 in 1 minute. We got 20 seconds left on the 1. The 1's looking better than the 2. But the 1's not as strong as the 2. The 5, we got 4 minutes left on that. Nah, you really want to see a new low. So this is what I was thinking. Go short here, but it's like too risky. It's going for reversals, right? It's not with the trend. So that would have been your 1R if you had your stop there. 2.3, not quite. That's your 1R there. Yeah, I just don't like it. If we get a little bit of support here. We broke through. This could give us something. Nah, because we're really only targeting here. So they would have got 1R out of that. They would have got 1R. So this is where we're getting stuck here as well. And on the 5 as well. Okay, so we could be starting to look for longs because that's struggling there. But we're going to get a push through and close. I'd say if we're going to go long, that's our long. $27 seconds. Let's see. So we're on these trend lines here, right? We're on the 5, we're on the 2, we're on the 1's got some resistance here. If it closes below that one, then I probably wouldn't bother. But if it closes above, then I might even try and move the order down a bit. So it doesn't look like it's going to come back up. So we might be able to get in here. Nah, it's closed below. So for me, that's closed below on the 2, and the 5 has got 1 minute left. Okay, it's just not good enough signal. If this close, see, this will probably close a real strong ball, and we won't get in. Exactly. And like everyone who anticipated it got in, and everyone who didn't, like me, didn't get in. Because they're now going, oh, now it stops miles away. So we're going to look to limit order it, which puts your stop at risk. How do I know it was going to be a very strong bull? Because that just wasn't a good setup for me. It just wasn't a good setup. It's something I probably missed. Oops. No, that's what oh, jeez. What did I say? God. You're kidding me, right? Well, I picked it, but we didn't get in. How much did that fly? 14, 15 pips. You're kidding me. Oh, dear. Okay, if we could slow this thing down. See what? Delete. That just wasn't a good order, but I think I missed this. Yeah, that's what I missed. I missed that. That would have given me confidence. That was what I was missing. That trend line there would have given me the confidence that, oh, okay, yeah, but we bounced off that. We could have got in here with a stop order and we would have had, we probably would have just shot to the 3R, so 1.6. So that would have been 16R, but would have, could have, should have. This is sort of what draws me into this lower time frame stuff, is the fact that you can sort of work out a lot as what's going on. Now I probably can't work out anything, because like this is just no man's land now, right? It's like literally no man's land. I'm kind of thinking, what's time? 9:15. I'm kind of thinking it's probably done. It's probably done for the day. How long have we been on here? Wait, it's like the one thing it doesn't tell you is how long you've been on here for. Not that I'm trying to take up time. Oh dear, dearie me. So look, what can you do? You've literally got nothing. 15-minute shot. What have we got? It's a new 15-minute candle. There weren't any news, was there? Somebody must have done something. Okay, it's come back, retested this. Retested this. It's all just a bit too big. Yeah. 4.2 pips. Well, look, guys, look forward to Jen Tessa coming on because he picked this trade on the Trading Nut chat. I assume it's on the Trading Nut chat. It was on his Telegram, Twitter. Okay, probably get a quick little. So 20 seconds left, 1 minute chart. We might be able to sneak a little order in here. Just 5. Okay, did we get it? We got it. All right. Let's just have a look. We've got to get some orders in, because we're struggling with this account challenge. Right, did he get an order? Sweet. So it's 18 hours ago. Oh, no. No, he didn't. I don't know where I don't know what chat you're talking about, Glenn Tessa. Let's see if we can just eke out a 1R here or something. This is more aggressive than what I'd normally do. Like these kind of trades here are not. I like to see a line that we're bouncing off, and a few other things. These are like just kind of aggressive. You can get 1R easily, but well, when I say easily, you can get 1R sometimes, but they are kind of aggressive. Aggressive scalps. Let's see if we can get it. So we're hoping that we're trying to retest the high to make another high, and we're only going to take 1R if we can. No, not going to give us it. At this rate, I'll be knocking the door Fidelcrest again, saying I need another account. Right, we broke above, which is good, and closed above, which is a good positive sign that we might get to 1R. And this is what 1 minute chart. So you can see the R here, 0 with red just means we're between 0 and 0.5. if it gets to, and then just goes up sort of incrementally. It sort of stops doing 0.5s at, I think, at 2R. It'll just tell you 2, 3, and that sort of thing. Okay, 12 seconds left. Let's have a look at what this candle closes as and make a call. If it's not closing above the high there, we may close this. So we'll keep it open. We'll keep it open. It did break the high. That's the good sign. Okay, we're going to get enough momentum here. Nah, that's what, 26 seconds. Okay, we've made a new low. I've broken the low of that one, so it's probably going to be time to get out if this doesn't close very high, and I'm probably going to just take the hit and leave the commission on the table. 4 seconds. Let's see, it needs to be a bit higher than that. Okay, we're probably going to get out. Come on, give us one more chance. One more chance. We might have done a dust. Okay, 0 commission. We're out. All right, folks. We were basically break even on that one. It was a bit of a long shot. I'm going to wrap the stream up there. This big spike has just pretty much destroyed any kind of patterns I've been trying to draw. So we'll be back again, hopefully. Tomorrow night's too busy. I'm probably going to have to trade this on the Asian session to get through this account. Here we go. It's probably going to go on and make this now. Right. If you do want to have a go at this, then please fill in the form below the video, and we'll get you on here like Glenn Tessa, who will be up later this week. Thank you, folks, for tuning in, and keep an eye out for the latest short, the first short, in fact, on Trading Nut, and also the episode coming up this week, which is awesome, along with the video. And yeah, Glenn Tessa at some stage. And also, I think we've got another Smart Money Concepts video coming up on the weekend. So, folks, go and check it out. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.